Hello, you are welcome to this exponential equation. In this video, we want to find the value of x according to the question. We have to find the value of x if 0.25 raised by x plus 1 is equal to 16. Now, how do we find this? It's very easy. What we first need to do is that we have to reduce this 0.25 into a sizable fraction. So once you're able to get the fraction, then everything will follow just like that. You just keep following and it will be easy. Now, how do we reduce 0.525 to fraction? Observe closely that after the decimal point, we have two numbers. So that means we have two decimal places here. So which is occupied by 25. And 0.25, if you want to express it in form of fraction, will be 25 all over. So going back to your knowledge of units, hundreds and units, 10 has 1 0, 100 has 2 zeros, 1000 has 3 zeros, and so on. Now, which of these has 2 zeros? Because since you have two decimal places, you will divide this particular 25 now by the one that has 2 zeros. So that means it's 100 that has what? That has 2 zeros. So that will be 100. If it were 0.025, you pick 25, which has the real number there, you have a 25 all over. How many decimal places do you have? 1, 2, 3. That would be 1000. The one with 3 zeros. I hope that is clear. Okay. So we are dividing by 100 because it has two decimal places which are occupied by the zeros of in 100. So let's continue. Let's continue with that. So now 25 over 100, obviously, if we start with 5, 5 here 5, 5 in 100, that's 20. Okay, 5 here 1, 5 in 20, that's 4. Obviously, we have reduced this now. So that implies we have 1 over 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equals to what? 16. Now, if you are very meticulous, you observe that something is falling in place here. 4 can get 4. So 1 over 4, according to the law of indices, can be written as 4 raised to the power minus 1. Do you still remember that? Oh, beautiful. It's 1 over 4. That is when that is still before the exponential with minus 1, which is 1 all over the 4. Okay? Then x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, you can express 16 in multiples of 4 as well. That would 4 raised to the power 2. Okay? So, now, let's expand this. Don't forget, if you have x raised to the power a or raised to the power b in indices, it becomes what? X raised to the power a times b, ab. So we expand the exponent. So that what? 4 into minus 1 times x, that's minus x. Then minus 1 times plus 1, that's minus 1. Okay? Not minus x plus 1. No, you are multiplying everything by minus 1. Okay. Is equals to 4 raised to the power 2. Since our bases are the same, we cancel them out. Then I have what equates the exponent. Minus x minus 1 is equals to 2. Now collect like terms. That's the next thing. Now implies minus x is equal to 2. When minus 1 moves to the other side, crossing the equality sign becomes plus. So you have what? Minus x is equals to 3. Now, you can't get minus x equals to 3. X must be equals to something. Multiply through by minus sign. X equals to minus 3. When you multiply through by minus sign, minus multiply this, minus multiply this. This one become plus, this one become minus 3. So x is minus 3 in this expression. Bye.